guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you're welcome. My name is Onyinye and this is my YouTube channel. Here I just share beauty videos, lifestyle video, things that I like in the hopes that you like it as well. And if you do, please do not hesitate to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just hit the subscribe button and the bell as well so that you get notifications whenever I upload videos. And to all my returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. Today's video is going to be something different, something I've not done before, so you guys should just stick with me. I'm going to be reviewing this wristwatch. I don't know, this thing is focused on my face, so I don't know if you guys can see clearly, but I'll try to do a close-up. Yeah, so I'll be reviewing this wristwatch. It's the Oraimo fitness watch. I don't know if that's what it's called, Sha. But before we go into the video proper, I did an unboxing when I just got it, so I'm just going to show you guys the unboxing and then we'll come back to the review. Okay? Saying at this point I'm not just understanding. This thing is, the box is actually very difficult to open. I honestly don't get how the box comes open. I think it was just the tape underneath it, this tape that was holding the two together. Yeah, so this is what the packaging looks like. The cover is out, and now to the main package. And when you open it, you just see the wristwatch. That's the first thing you see when you open it. So I'm just going to open the cover. This thing is like a protection thing. It's actually hard. So yeah, so this is the wristwatch. We are going to come back to it later. Let me just go through what is in the box. So in the box there's this thing. I think it's a manual. Yes, it is the manual. Yeah, it is a welcome guide. I'm going to go through it later, not in this video. I'll just go through it later, set the watch up and then use it and come back for a proper review. But for now we are just unboxing. So yeah, you have the manual that comes in this, and then I think this should be the charger. There's another package. I think it's a charger. It's wrapped like this. Oh yeah, it is the charger, and it's just a cable. It's just a cable with oh okay, this is magnetic. The part that connects to the wristwatch is magnetic, and then a USB, normal USB port. So you have to connect this to a charger and then charge, obviously. So if the charger, and what else? I don't think there's anything else in the box. That's it. I actually like the packaging, apart from the fact that it was a struggle to open for me. But the packaging is solid and nice. I really like it. It gives like a whole luxurious vibe to it, even though the thing is not that expensive. So I like the package. I like the packaging a lot. Yeah, so we've gone through all the content of the box. Now to the wristwatch itself, and it looks sort of, I don't know the English to use, but what is coming to my head is flimsy. I know that there's a better word to describe what I mean, but it's just light. It looks like very light, but it looks good. It looks really cute. This is what it looks like. It looks really nice. It mimics the Apple look. Yeah, so I'm going to leave like what my thoughts are about everything in my main video. For now, I just wanted to unbox and show you guys the whole process of unboxing. So yeah, that's it guys. Now back to the main video. So I'm not a tech person, I'm not very gadgety, I don't accumulate gadgets, so I would not be talking about like the specification and you know all those intricate details that go into making up the wristwatch, because I don't know what they mean and I don't even know what they're supposed to do. But if you are interested in those kind of details, I think you should watch Fisayo and Miss Techie's videos. Those are the two videos that I watched. They were the two people that I watched before I decided I was going to get the wristwatch. So yeah, I think you should watch their videos and then decide for yourself whether you want to get it or not. If you are looking for like a user's perspective, this is where this video comes in handy. So I've been using the watch for about 2 months now, or more. It's been more than 2 months, about 2-3 months now, and I'm just going to be talking about the way it looks. First of all, it looks a lot like the Apple wristwatch, but if you're an Apple person and then you look closer, you realize that there's some distinct features, but it's really not that obvious. The watch looks good, and to make it even better, I have this bracelet that I usually pair it with, and it even makes it look a lot, you know, it makes it look even better. How I usually wear it, and this is the way that it looks on me. It looks good, it feels good. I don't have anything bad to say about the way it looks. It looks really, really good. Now over to the value. I'm going to be talking about the value that you get paying for this, and I would say that for the price that you're paying for it compared to other Fit wristwatches, you actually get the value for your money. This cost about 15,000, I think. You guys would have seen it in the unboxing. I can't remember how much exactly, but for the price, the value is good. This is not the first fitness watch that I have used. I used to own the Fitbit one. I think it was it the Vasa? I used to own a Fitbit one, and I would not lie, there is a huge difference with the way the Fitbit works compared to this. I prefer the Fitbit. I've never used an Apple one, so I can't really say, but I'm sure that it definitely is better than this when it comes to like the features and the ease of use, and you know all those intricate things that you get with using fitness watches like this. I'm sure that those are better. I'm just going to be comparing this one to the Fitbit one which I've used in the past, and I would say definitely that this, for the price, is awesome. Like, it's really awesome. I was going to get the Apple wristwatch. I was saving to get the Apple wristwatch, but then the Apple wristwatch, the Series 6, costs about 200,000 or more, and I just stumbled upon the review of this one and it was like 15,000. I was like, instead of, you know, spending all that money on this one, let me try this one. And to be honest, I really like it. I got it just to keep track of my steps and calories. I wanted to move my body more. I've been working from home, so I noticed that I've been like, I could stay a whole week and not, you know, leave my house. I'm not joking, guys. I could stay weeks and just stay in my house and not move. So I just wanted something that would encourage me to move more, and that was why I decided to just buy this one instead of waiting to get the Apple one. And honestly, for the purpose that I got it, it has really worked. It has helped me, and since I got it, I've been trying to work out and I've been fairly consistent with it, and this has really helped track the calories I burn while I work out, how many steps I take during the day. For the purpose that I got it for, this has really served me. But one thing I'm going to say is that compared to the other fitness watch that I've used, I'm not sure this is very accurate, because I have tried to take like a few steps and then measure how many the watch is counting, and I've noticed that it's like a few steps short. And even with like when I work out, I do some certain exercise that on YouTube they would say do this exercise to burn 600 calories, or to like it's a 6-mile workout or something, and then I finish the whole workout, and this is like more than half of whatever or however mile or however calories I was supposed to burn during the exercise. So maybe the watch is inaccurate, or I'm just too lazy and I'm not burning as much calories as possible. You should be the judge of that, but me, I'm blaming the watcher. Another thing that I should mention is one of the problems that I find using this watch is that it does not combine your daily steps, the distance you walk, or the calorie you burn with like the one you burn when you are working out. So when you go back to the app I think I should have mentioned that. So in order to use the wristwatch, you have to download an app on your phone. That's where you can like select the watch faces and sort of keep track of your activities with the app, not the watch itself. So yeah, I was saying that it doesn't combine your daily activities with like the activities that you do when you work out. So say if I walk maybe 1,000 steps a day and then I exercise and do like 5,000, the 5,000 would not add up to the 1,000. So when you check your daily step, it's still like the steps that you did. I'm not sure if I'm making any sense, but yeah, that's one problem that I find with it. With my other fitness watch, I know like it combines your whole daily activities, whether you got it through exercising or just plain moving from your room to the fridge, you know, everything just combines together and gives you like a total of everything you did that day. This does not do it. And I would also mention that the app, I don't really like the app that much. It's not very easy to use, and also the exercise thingy that you get with it is very limited as well. So there's just indoor workout, outdoor workout, some cycling activities, like the thing that you choose, the fitness activities that you choose is quite limited, and I don't know if there's an option to add more, but I've searched for it and I didn't find any. So yeah, those are the things I would say about like what you get when you buy the watch. Now to like the big question, do I recommend the Oraimo fitness watch? I would say yes if you are on a budget. So if you are on a budget or you just cannot justify coughing out 200k or more to get the Apple wristwatch or the Fitbit one. The Fitbit one, I think they cost that much as well. Yeah, if you don't want to cough out that amount to get those wristwatches, then this is a very good and affordable option. Yeah, so I would recommend it if you are on a budget. Owning this does not stop me from buying my Apple Watch. Once my coins is complete, it might be this year, it might be next year, 2 years from now, but yeah, I plan to get the Apple one as well, because I'm sure that the ease of use is going to be way better. Definitely going to be way better. But if you are on a budget and just looking for something that would serve you now, then yes, I would really recommend that you get this one. I think that's it for this video. That's everything that is in my head and in my notes to talk about in this video. If you have any other questions, something I didn't mention in this video, just leave it in the comment section and I'll answer it. If not, this is it for this video, guys. I really love filming this video. I wish that I was a gadget person that would get more things and come and review, but let's just see. This is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, share. There's a lot that you can do to support my channel, to help my channel grow, and I hope that you do it. I'm begging that you do it. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.